Welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge and Success. Today I shall deal with a very interesting exponential problem. Now 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x equal to 8. We have to find out the value of x. Now we can written this 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x means 2 into 5 to the power x equal to 8. Now 5 to the power x is equal to 8 by 2 means 4. We get 5 to the power x equal to 4. Taking log both sides, we get 5 to the power x equal to log of 4. Now x into log of 5, where we get this formula m of log a equal to log of 4 means x equal to log of 4 divided by log of 5. This can be written as log of 4 base 5. So the solution is x equal to log of 4 base 8. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, for such type of video, you may subscribe my YouTube channel also.